An early goal within 10 minutes for Lionel Messi and Inter Miami.
So good from Gomez, so good to get into the hole. Now guess whose left foot is on the left side? His best friend from La Masia, his best friend from Barcelona. 23 assists on Lionel Messi's goals at Barcelona. His first start, his first hit. So now all the players are caught ball watching. All the players are aware of the runners inside the 18. And so he comes late. Remember the goal against Orlando City? It was a late run, not a late strike. Robert Taylor clipped it over.
Almost identical to the goal. Remember when Messi scored against Madrid at the Bernabeu? He took his jersey off, showed it to the crowd. It's almost identical. Now Josef Martinez in an offside position. They needed to go to VAR. That's the right call in my opinion. Obviously he's going to agree with it.
Messi coming around to far eye. Lionel Messi to Josef Martinez. Big save.
On Messi with the ball at his feet. Bad giveaway here from FC Dallas. It allows Lionel Messi to take on the two center backs. He's just got to widen that run a half a yard more. He's onside for Finland and running the 400-meter. Honestly, I say it jokingly, but how many times have we seen him get on his horse, just run a vertical line straight forward, knowing
The elbow, plenty of time. Cutting it back towards Messi. Busquets! And over.
you got to make up your mind, have a chance. Where's Jordi Alba going to go? Messi's going to drop off the 8 or 9 defenders from FC Dallas. How about the first touch to lose the defender, lay it off? Busquets has to be better there.
Dallas, who paid hundreds of dollars to come here. Alba cutting it back. Kromansky scores!
Yourself and tell yourself this is real. It's not a video game. The 7-time Ballon d'Or winner. I love this though. Immediately he's like, wait, hold on a minute.
Messi scores! He scores!